Hello guys and welcome back to the channel. In this video, I'm going to show you how you can remove background from video in Capcut. So let's get started. So first of all, you could open Capcut and create a new project and import your video and add it to timeline. Next, you're going to click on the video clip and then you're going to scroll at the bottom and search for the option of remove background. Once you click on that, you can either click on auto removal if the background is complex, or you can also custom remove, or you can simply use chroma key if the background is of a solid color. So simply click on chroma key and simply drag the color picker to anywhere you want. And then you're going to click on the stick over here, and now you can see that the background has been removed. And you can also place your subject over a new background if you want to do so. So simply scroll to the right, click on background, and here we'll have numerous backgrounds. You can also select image. You can also select a color if you want to do so, or you can also blur it. So, well, that is basically how you can remove background from video in Capcut. So if you found this guide helpful, please consider subscribing and leaving a like. It really helps me out, and I'll see you next time.